Well, as you guys today we're playing Lightning Road, I keep getting new best. Then focus. Folks, good way. So yeah. Okay, so I'm at 9. That's why I'm at 95. It's gonna be such a really cool game. I'm not gonna get any. Actually, I'm just gonna play a ton of Abyss. How about that? Would that be good? Yeah. You guys like this? Let's go, let's go. Ah. Let's go, let's go. Da, da, da. This isn't nearly as difficult as I'm sure it was back in the day. But yeah, so we like that. I beat the level. I just beat the level. I beat the level! Yes! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! How many times is that? How many total attempts? 880. Oh my gosh! Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.